Hey everybody, this is Sunborn Creations and welcome to the channel. So I am working on two of my 12-inch busts. The situation is the wood pieces inside has fallen and therefore they're not holding up my necklaces on here. So I'm going to show you what they look like inside. These are 12 inches. They were like $11.99. I bought these a few years ago. So what I used was this box cutter and some scissors. So I went down the back of this piece, as you can see, and I just split it open. I used the box cutter to split it open, and then I use my scissors and just cut along there to see what it looked like inside. And if you ever wondered, this is what it looks like. It's just little plywood, thin, like a half an inch of plywood, round circle. I don't know the diameters of it, but this is what's inside. This is heavy cardboard and glue. That's all that's holding these together. So I'm going to try to get this so you could see it. And I don't know if this is going to work or not because it's my first time trying this. So we are going to just experiment, like I said. And you could tell how to place it back in there because of that T-bar, just shaped like a T-bar. And I'm using, this right here. It's called TITEBOND, Ultimate Wood Glue. And honestly, I got this out of Lowe's. I don't remember what I paid for it. Lowe's or Home Depot. And so let's see here how we're going to do this. And I just put a little bit on some paper over there. And I'm working from my kitchen table. So let's see if I can figure out which side. I know that this goes like that. You see how I'm placing it in there? And this side right here. Both sides got glue. But I think it's this side right here. So I'm just going to probably, I didn't, quite do that right. I didn't do a strip. So we're just going to put a little bit of strip right here. My glue gun, I don't have any more glue sticks. I'm out and I need to grab some because the glue stick would have been all perfect for this. So what I'm going to do is take this and set it in there just like, wait a minute, you got to go on top. Let's see here how I am going to do that. Oh, wait a minute now. I got to figure this thing out. Let's see. I know this goes like that. Let's see. Y'all, I might not know what I'm doing. Yeah. I thought I had figured it. Oh, like that. I'm not a good person when it comes to this sort of situation. So let's see. This is interesting. Let me see here. I don't know what I'm quite doing, but I thought I had figured it out. Sorry. But let's see. It's going to go like this. I know this T-bar goes like that. But something goes here. Let's see if I can do it this way. Because it has to stand up. So this goes in there and stands up. Okay, they both go to the top. Like this. You see how it's standing back up? It's just me. I'm here trying to. Yep, there it is. And this is going in like this to give it support. Yep, that's it. Sorry about that. Kind of like I had to figure these things out. because I didn't practice. I don't think it matters which side I put this on. So I got, like I said, I got 2 of these to do. I didn't want to throw them away. But this one is a little warped. I'm going to take my heat gun and see if I can bend it and get that warpness out. You know what? I forgot to put the glue on both of these ends. It needs to go here too. And you have to be careful with these and, you know, treat them delicately when you are transporting. That's why I decided to go ahead and get a building, get a space where I wouldn't have to transport back and forth my products. And I'm still working on the space. I'm taking, you know what? I got to put some, oh, you have to put it all around. So guys, let me know what you about this video. One lady said, I like the video. She said something about, I don't even know her name. I forgot what she said. Something about my videos was, I don't know, she said it could have been a little bit better, but I'm just filming on the fly, honey. You know, I thank her for her input, but I'm not no video pro. Don't claim to be a video pro. But I'll be back with some videos though. I don't know, you know, I have to kind of like get in the mood for the videos. Lately I have not, you know, been on the grind with the videos. I'm not, you know, when it comes to that. Did I put this thing in here? We got a stick, guys. So I got to hold it together for a little bit like this here. But basically that's how you do. You put it back together and look. I brought it up from that. See how flat that is? But I'm going to cover these. I haven't figured out what I kind of want to do because I got an idea. See, this thing done fell again. But basically, that's how you do it. I got to put more glue on these things, guys. The glue is, I got something called alligator glue, but I can't find that anywhere. But see how it is? That's how you put it together. I'm going to leave it there and put a little more glue around there in a minute. And there you go. Fixing my bus. But you see how this is? I think if I take some, I don't know if you can see how warped it is. I take the heat gun and try to get it back in order. But when I found this in my car, it was just smashed, guys. I'm like, oh no. And like I said, these were like $12. And, you know, you don't want to lose out on your money. So I'm trying to repair as much as I can. So we're going to set that one there, and I'm going to do the next one. But thank you for joining in on this early, it's an early Sunday morning, guys. I get up at 3 o'clock in the morning sometimes. No, 1:30. I have to go be at the job at 3 a.m. in the morning. So now my sleep pattern is a little bit off, but it's okay. Because I'm working towards a goal. I'm working towards more of, you know, being more financially independently, you know, for myself. But it's all good. It's good. And not stressing. So I'll be back because I have some openings to do. Some things that I got from Amazon. I'm working with a lot of, I got chain, but I have not started working with the chain. And I got so many ideas. But like I said, I'm not doing much right now. I'm forming a plan because my spot is like a 10 by 20, and it's more like this here, oblong. So I got to utilize a lot of wall space. So I'm working on now how can I incorporate ideas. What can I, the ideas. And I got some ideas when it comes to these busts. Not this size, but I got like the 6-inch. And I kind of like want to put them on the wall, my little 6 inches. And, kind of go from there. But maybe in another 2.5 weeks, I'll have everything completed. I'm waiting on my wallpaper now to come from Temu. And we're working on the tile. So I had to go get some knee pads. Literally, we found some cheaper, inexpensive tile that you just peel and stick. And I'm like, oh my goodness, why in the world would you do that? Because therefore, I had to get on my knees. So I got some knee pads, and we've only finished 2 rows, so we got about 10 more rows to go. And they like 19, I think 19 in each row, so think of, add that up. But thank you guys for tapping in early this morning. And I'll see you a little bit later on with another video. Thanks. And stay safe.